Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be starting a new series called
What is that?
Now, literally, what is this? It says it's a brand by Youniverse. It's obviously an ATM, if you aren't intelligent enough to figure that out already. So basically, what this thing does is you put in a coupon or whatever the hell, a gift card, and you stick this in that little slot there. And you can enter your name, a PIN number. Now, don't look at my PIN number, guys, but I'm going to enter that in right now. As you can see, let me in. So you can look at the account balance. I only have 50 cents in there because I'm poor AF. You make a deposit and put some money in there, or you make a withdrawal. So when you make a withdrawal, you can click this little lever or switch. Oh, it's too late. And then you can withdraw your money. And then you can tell it that you're withdrawing 0.50 cents. And then your account balance is now $0. So let me get my cash real quick. As you can see, I have $40.50 right here. And I'm going to enter this. So I'm going to make a deposit. And it's telling me to deposit money. So I'm going to put the 50 cents in there in this change slot. And then I'm going to insert my cash. As you can see, it ate my cash, and it's asking to enter amount, so this thing isn't smart enough to tell how much money to put in there. So $20, and then boom, and then you can make another deposit, put your 100 or 20 or 5 in there, and then put 20 again, and then if you click account balance, you now have $40.50, and then when you make a withdrawal, you click this, and your money will be right here. And don't worry if anyone tries to steal your money. There is a plastic camera right there, right to the right of the speaker, so your money should be safe. So we close this, and but we were actually supposed to enter the amount, so we actually took $40.50. So we now have $0 in our account. This is really cool machine. I found it at Goodwill for $3.99. When I first walked in there, the actual name brand card was taped to the top of here. As you can see, there's some tape right here. And it seems to me that some
autistic child
took the card so no one else could have it. But good thing I have this good old gift card. So every time you take it out, as you can see, it turns off. But when you put it in, there you go. And then you can enter your PIN number. Don't look, guys. Don't look. Boom. And then when you take it out, boom. This is what you hear when you click this retarded demo button. So take the card out, click the demo button.
Welcome to the ATM machine, a real automated ATM that can sit on your dresser or mount to the wall. Watch your savings grow when you deposit cash through the motorized bill feeder. The bank automatically adds the coins you deposit. You withdraw money or track your account balance. Enter your name and secret PIN number for real personalized banking.
Kind of creeps me out when I'm in my room home alone and I listen to that. Really sounds like Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to slap that like button with your foot. And I hope you did enjoy this video. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.